So the first thing I'm going to do is add this wooden charger that I got from the Target dollar spot to my countertop. It says Believe and has a pretty gold metallic paint around the edge, which is a really nice touch. And then I'm just going to add the 2 syrups that I picked up from TJ Maxx. One is a salted caramel flavor and the other is classic hazelnut. And I picked up the gold pumps from Amazon. I'm going to wrap the bottles in this wrapping paper and decorate them with the mini bowls. And the gift tags are going to be used to let me know which syrup is which. Next, I'm going to add this hot cocoa mix into this mason jar from Dollar Tree. I usually get these Starbucks salted caramel flavored hot chocolate, but since I'm going to be adding different flavored syrups this year, I decided to just get the double chocolate, and it smells really good. Next, I'm going to add these wafers to this tall mason jar. I got the jar from Target and I got the wafers from Dollar Tree. I think these are delicious and they act as kind of an edible straw. So I'm going to, you can't really, they're not functional. You can't drink out of them. But I'm going to add this to the charger base. I'm going to add these candies to small jars that I picked up from Joann's. I think they are adorable, and the candies are going to serve as inclusions and toppings for my hot cocoa. I bought a standing chalkboard from the Target dollar spot. I wrote a cute sign on it. It was really a challenge only because handwriting is not something that I do on a regular basis. Everything nowadays is texting or typed, so it took a couple tries to get the look that I wanted, but it turned out pretty great, I would say. The Himalayan pink sea salt will be used in one of the recipes I'll be showing at the end of the video, so stick around for that. The last touch is this adorable ornament that I got from Target. It's a mug made out of felt, I want to say, and it has hot cocoa in it with marshmallows. I just saw it and was like, I have to have this. This is perfect. And that is it, you guys. This is the final assembly, I guess, of my hot cocoa station. I am super excited to be making these drinks for myself and friends and family this season, and especially on cold winter nights, you just want to come in and have something warm and sweet, so this will be perfect. Okay, so right now I'm going to be making a kind of Ferrero Rocher inspired hot cocoa. You know, it's the fancy chocolate with the wafer with the cream filling and the hazelnut in the inside and the little hazelnuts on the outside. Bomb, right? So for this, all I did was add some hot cocoa mix and hot milk to this cup and added some pumps of the hazelnut syrup. You can add way more than I added, but I didn't add very much at all. But to really give it that flavor, be sure to add as much as you want. I topped it with some whipped cream and I added some pieces of the candy to the top of it, and it looks amazing and tastes delicious. So definitely check this out and make this holiday season. The last recipe I'm going to show you is for the salted caramel hot cocoa. I love salted caramel hot chocolate. I order a ton of them from Starbucks every year, but now that I can make them at home, I'm going to save my coins, sis. So basically, you make your hot chocolate the same way you would in any other recipe, but instead of adding the hazelnut syrup, I went ahead and added the salted caramel one. And I'm going to top it with whipped cream and a bit of the Himalayan pink salt. Don't add too much though, because it is salt and you don't want to overpower your drink. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have more videos on the way, and make sure you hit the notification button so you can be alerted whenever I upload something new. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.